basic chemistry.
And I know the chemistry.
Fight!
I think that's what we're trying to avoid at the moment.
No fight! No fight!
I don't know how to play Aurelia at all. But that's not the point of this. As we can see, I'm in pain. It doesn't matter if I know how to play the champ. Right now, at this point, I'm gonna be in pain. Fuck you!
Fuck you.
Fuck you!
Fuck you.
Fuck you! Fuck off!
I know you can't turn oxygen or water into oxygen naturally at all.
Chemistry.
Can I stop getting pinged? That would be real fucking nice.